friends, welcome back to Stellar Studies and I am Leather, and today we are going to discuss about what is market and what are types in it and what are the factors that are depending upon the market and what is the factors that market depends on them. And let's start the introduction. So first, what is a market means? Actually, market is a place where all the goods and services are sold and purchased. And market is a place where goods and services are sold and purchased. And in modern days, market has undergone a tremendous changes. Tremendous changes. What are the tremendous changes? So tremendous changes. Very rapidly market is changing. Before this, market has permitted only up to local areas or up to national areas, but nowadays market has permitted to all over the global. And globalization, because of the globalization, market has upgraded or changed some more tremendously. And tremendously means speedily or fastly, etc. And market in modern days, tremendous changes have occurred to the market. And also the market, before this a person have to use it to go to the market for buying or selling goods, but nowadays people are placing orders through telephones or through other internet facilities, right? So these are very new technologies in the market, and like Amazon and all these are called as a e-commerce. What is commerce? Means distribution. E-commerce means electronic distribution. So this is the online networking system of the market for buying and selling of goods. So Edward Jenner, who is this Edwards? He is one of the economists. Edward Jenner. He defined market as a mechanism which brings buyers and sellers together. So once again the definition. So in definition, we don't have to miss any word, or we should not make changes in any word. In other paragraphs you can make some own changes, but in definition you cannot make any changes. So Edward Jenner defined market as a mechanism which has changed or which has brought buyers and sellers together. Okay, so Edward Jenner definition is this one of the famous definition for market. And now we are going to discuss about types and factors of the markets. So depending upon the factors, what are factors? Number one, time period for the supply. Time period, first one. And second one is area covered by the commodities. And third one is competition among producers. So these are the three factors on which market depends, and we are going to discuss about each of these factors. And here you can see a flow chart which shows a clear understanding of the market. So friends, here markets are divided into three types on basis of time, area and competition. So on basis of time, first one is a very short period market, or it is also called as a market period. And second one is a short period, and third one is long period. And on basis of area, market is divided into three types: local, national and international. And on basis of competition, market is divided into perfect competition and imperfect competition. So here this is a imperfect competition, and again this imperfect competition is again divided into three types, or not three types, four types. That is monopoly and monopolistic competition, and oligopoly and duopoly. So friends, First one we are going to discuss market on time basis. So what is this time basis? On time basis, markets are divided into three types: very short, short and long. So very short market means it is also called as a market period, and very short period. So friends, here market is on time basis, market can be divided into three types: very short period, it is also called as a market period, and short period and long period. So first one, very short period. In very short period market, the supply, the producer cannot change the supply, because here supply is fixed, and if the supply, as we know, if the supply has to be changed, we have to change the certain inputs. So in this very short period, the inputs cannot be changed because the time is very less, right? So because of the lack of time, supply cannot be changed, and therefore some perishable goods have this type of market. And second one is short period. So what is a short period market? In this market period, a supplier or a producer can change the supply up to a little extent, but not more, because some of the certain inputs can be changed in short period. And coming to long period, so the long period is almost the supplier can change the whole supply depending upon the increased demand, and here the supply can be changed based on mainly demand for the goods. And these are all the three types of time basis factor of a market. And next we are going to discuss about second one is, after the time basis we are going to discuss about area. There are again three types. First one is local, and second one is national, and third one is international. So friends, here on based of area, the markets are divided into three types: local, national and international. So local market means it is a market where the produced goods are manufactured or marketed at the area of production. For example, perishable goods like vegetables, fruits and flowers are produced and marketed in the same area. These are the examples of local markets. And national markets, these markets have if there is a high demand for the goods throughout the country, then it is called as a national market. For example, wheat and rice and cotton are examples of the national market goods. And third one is international market. So if there are more buyers and sellers of the goods all over the world, then it is called as an international market. For example, mainly the resources such as gold, silver and petrol, diesel, etc., petrochemicals, all these come under the examples of international markets. So friends, here perfect competition and imperfect competition. Perfect competition is a market in which there is a perfect competition in between the buyers and sellers of a particular homogeneous goods, and there are a large number of buyers and sellers in these perfect competition markets. Whereas in imperfect competition markets, there are no perfect competition in between the buyers and also the sellers, among the sellers or among the buyers. And so this is because of this reason there are different prices for the same product in different firms. And this is about imperfect competition markets. And these are all the three types of markets. First one, time on basis of time factor. First one is a very short period market, and second one is a short period market, and third one is long period. And on basis of area, and local market, national market, international market, on basis of competition, perfect competition and perfect competition markets. So friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel for some more interesting videos, and please hit the bell button. Thanks for watching this video.